In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Substack tags effectively. Whether you're an established writer or just starting out, navigating the world of Substack can be as exciting as it is rewarding. Understanding how to utilize tags will significantly enhance the discoverability of your posts, making your content more accessible to potential subscribers. Let's dive in and explore this straightforward yet powerful tool. First, you'll want to head over to Substack. If you haven't already signed up or logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're in, it's time to create a new post. To do this, locate and click the Create button. This button serves as your gateway to producing fresh content, and it's usually easy to find on your dashboard. Next, you'll need to click on Post. This option will initiate the process of drafting a new publication. It's where you'll pour your ideas and creativity onto a blank canvas that is your digital page. Now comes the creative part, writing your post. Take your time crafting your message, whether it's an article, a newsletter, or any form of content you wish to share with your audience. Once your post is ready, find and click the Continue button. This step signals Substack that you're ready to finalize and publish your writing. But before we send your masterpiece off into the world, there's one more crucial aspect to address: adding tags. Tags are essential for categorizing your content and improving its visibility. To add tags, find the section in your post editor where tags can be entered. Typically, it's a simple text box, often located near the bottom or the side of your editing screen. You'll want to think about the keywords relevant to your post topic. Tags can be broad, like technology or art, or more specific, such as neural networks or watercolor techniques. Choose words that encapsulate the essence of your post and that readers are likely to search for. Finally, after tagging your post, you're almost ready to share it. Click on Send to Everyone now. This action will distribute your post to all your subscribers, ushering your content from your screen to their inboxes. It's always exciting to hit that send button and reach your audience with what you've worked on. And there you have it. You now know how to use Substack tags to enhance the reach and organization of your posts. Tags are a small but potent tool in connecting your voice with readers who have similar interests or are looking for the insights you offer. With these steps, you can effectively manage and promote your content within the Substack platform. Happy writing, and here's to building an engaging and thriving online community.